In talking to our customers, we often hear the desire for consolidation, to consolidate different technologies, simplify workflows and processes, achieve more agility, and lower costs of operations. So the question really is, where are the best opportunities for me to focus my consolidation efforts, and what's going to be the anchor system? Our belief is that there's a significant opportunity to consolidate, simplify, and reduce costs in how your business interacts with the digital shelf. At the core of this is a platform called Product Experience Management, and it incorporates a number of different concepts. First and foremost, Product Experience Management is built on effective content management. You need a central repository for all of your product information, the digital assets, and everything that's needed to present the product in its most compelling way on the digital shelf. The platform then needs compelling capabilities around syndication. You need to be able to get that product content in the right form, optimized for every shopping experience to the digital shelf in a timely manner. The Product Experience Management System also needs to accommodate the rest of the ways buyers are going to interact with your product data. Things like enhanced content, for example, which provides buying guides and comparison charts and richer experiences on the product detail page in the shopping experience. All of these components then need to be in one integrated platform, combined with AI and automation to drive efficient and consistent ways of working for all your teams that work across the digital shelf. By doing so, not only are you achieving more efficiency within how your teams operate and manage their daily processes, but through having consistent, high-quality product data that shows up across all of your shopping experiences in digital shelf.